Hey there, I'd like to take a second and discuss the most common question that we get asked, and that is, why Opal? It's a great question. For over 20 years, Opal has been working harder than the competition to be great. You see, everybody says that they're great. Everybody's going to say that they're the best, but nobody is willing to put in the work. What we're going to do is set you up with a professional, consultative sales professional who's going to take you through this consultative sales approach to educate you on your options, educate you on the project and the process that goes into your project, so that you're not only comfortable moving forward with us, you're excited to have Opal do your project. But it's not going to stop there. You see, once we've decided to work together where we're going to be fixing the problem, or improving the home, remodeling, whatever it may be, then we're going to assign you a dedicated administrative staff professional where they're going to check in with you. You'll get weekly emails from us, and these emails will recap what to expect, how to prepare, and anything that you need to do as we're coming out to work on your home. Finally, at the start of the project, you're going to be introduced to your professional project manager who will check in with you daily to make sure that everything is going exactly to plan, and if anything were to deviate off course, we make sure to correct it as soon as possible to make sure that you are completely satisfied. Not just immediately in the moment, not just immediately with the project, but for years to come. That's why you should work with Opal.